Hello and welcome to this video on how to register a startup company in India. In this video, we will go through the steps you need to follow in order to register your startup and get it up and running. Before we start, it's important to note that the process of registering a startup in India can vary depending on the type of business you are planning to set up and the state in which you are located. However, there are some general steps that you can follow to get started. Step 1. Choose a business structure. The first step in registering your startup is to choose a business structure. In India, you can choose from 4 main business structures: sole proprietorship, partnership, limited liability partnership, and private limited company. Each business structure has its own advantages and disadvantages, so it's important to choose the one that best fits your business needs. You can consult with a lawyer or a professional to help you make this decision. Step 2. Choose a business name. Once you have chosen your business structure, the next step is to choose a business name. It's important to choose a name that is unique and memorable, and that reflects the nature of your business. Before you register your business name, it's a good idea to check if it is already taken by another company. You can do this by searching the Ministry of Corporate Affairs database of registered companies. Step 3. Obtain a permanent account number, PAN, and a tax deduction and collection account number, TAN. In order to register your startup, you will need to obtain a permanent account number, PAN, and a tax deduction and collection account number, TAN. These are both unique identification numbers that are issued by the Indian government. To obtain a PAN, you will need to fill out an application form and submit it along with the required documents to the National Securities Depository Limited, NSDL. To obtain a TAN, you will need to fill out a TAN application form and submit it along with the required documents to the Income Tax Department. Step 4. Register your business. Once you have obtained your PAN and TAN, the next step is to register your business. Depending on the business structure you have chosen, you may need to register your business with different authorities. For example, if you have chosen a sole proprietorship, you may need to register your business with the local municipality. If you have chosen a partnership or a limited liability partnership, you may need to register your business with the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. If you have chosen a private limited company, you will need to register your business with the Ministry of Corporate Affairs as well as the Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI. Step 5. Obtain any necessary licenses and permits. Depending on the type of business you are setting up, you may need to obtain certain licenses and permits in order to operate legally. These may include a trade license, a food license, or a pollution control license, among others. It's important to check with the local authorities to find out which licenses and permits you need to obtain in order to operate your business legally. Step 6. Set up your business. Once you have completed all of the necessary registration and licensing requirements, you are ready to set up your business. This may involve setting up a physical location, hiring employees, and purchasing any necessary equipment or supplies. It's important to carefully plan out your business setup to ensure that you are ready to start operating as soon as possible. That's it.